Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. I am Ajit Lole, Assistant Professor, Yashwantrao Chavan College of Science, Karad. This lecture is for BSc second year student. Today I will discuss about Delhi supergroup. So let's start the lecture. Delhi supergroup. The rock of this group are exposed in main Aravalli mountain chain extending from Delhi to Haryana, Rajasthan to Gujarat. The Delhi supergroup estimated to be about 1 kilometer thick, comprises of quartzite slate succession. The supergroup is divided into Alwar group, Kushalgarh limestone, Ajabgarh group and Irinpura granite. Once again I would like to repeat, Delhi supergroup is divided into Alwar group, Kushalgarh limestone, Ajabgarh group and Irinpura granite. Alwar group, they are distributed throughout northern part of Aravalli ranges. Here it rests over Rilo group with an unconformity. In southern part they rest directly on Aravalli group. Basal arkose and quartzites of the Alwar group contain fragments of granitic rocks derived from the underlying gneisses. In the type area of North Rajasthan, the group is 3 km thick and is composed of compact quartzite, grits and conglomerates with a few argillaceous beds, impure limestone, argillaceous beds and impure limestone. This succession contains sill of epidiorites. This is about Alwar group. Then second one, Kushalgarh limestone. They are banded with dark grey and black layers and are impure characters containing small amount of quartz, mica and carbon. The limestone is crystalline where it is metamorphosed. The 700 meter thick of the succession contains few horizons of as hornstone breccia containing angular pieces of quartz embedded in fine grained matrix of ferruginous and siliceous matter. Kushalgarh limestone. Then Ajabgarh group. This group representing deep water argillaceous calcareous facies vary in mineral composition depending on the degree of metamorphism. The common rock types are splintery slates and phyllites. The minimum thickness of this group is nearly 700 meter. Aravalli has remained a relief area since the end of deposition of Ajabgarh group. Then last one is Irinpura granite. Irinpura granite, granitic intrusion in Delhi supergroup observed at many places along the Aravalli range include the intrusion of Palanpur, Idar, Sirohi, Irinpura, Biwar, Jaipur and Alwar. They are together known as Irinpura granite. I would like to repeat this sentence. The Aravalli ranges include intrusion of Palanpur, Idar, Sirohi, Irinpura, Biwar, Jaipur and Alwar. They are together known as Irinpura granite. The rock granite is essentially a coarse-grained non-foliated rock. It is primarily a biotite granite, but the associate pegmatites contain some muscovite and tourmaline. Emplacement of the Irinpura granite is related with the phase of Delhi orogeny, which led to the deformation and metamorphism of the rocks of Delhi supergroup. Delhi supergroup, once again I would like to repeat the classification of Delhi supergroup. Delhi supergroup is divided into 4 different subgroups. In that, Alwar group, Kushalgarh limestone, Ajabgarh group and Irinpura granite. Delhi supergroup is also a simple group as Dharwar. Only 4 groups. In that, Alwar group, Kushalgarh limestone, Ajabgarh group and Irinpura granite. So, I hope you understood about Delhi supergroup, their lithology. So, if you understood this lecture, or if you have any doubts regarding this, please ask me in comment box. Those who are new viewers to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much.